Okay, this is one of my not so expensive trailers. It's a nice Summit. It's built by Forest River. It's got sandalwood siding, sandalwood corners, tan roofing, and brown shutters. It's a 2-bedroom. It's unit number 5583. It's got a house type rear entry door, as do all of my units. Its MSRP is a mere $56,000. There it is right there if you can see it. Anyhow, walking in here, I'll tell you a little bit about this trailer. It's got a sleeper sofa. And as long as I said that, I better check. It most definitely is a sleeper sofa. We've got a front bedroom, which you could convert into a den if you didn't want it to be a bed. You could throw another sleeper sofa in here or futon. It's got a closet, a couple drawers, bench seating, probably seat 6 at the table in a pinch, 5 for sure. It's got black appliances, pretty good sized sink. Actually, a really good sized sink. That's a monster. Microwave, black appliances. Let's have a look in the bathroom. See if we can get any light in there. Oh yeah. Boy, I'm having good luck lighting up the bathrooms today. Somebody's got that's the linen closet. Got toilet, tub, shower, surround, medicine cabinet, vanity, with storage underneath. This, you step down into the rear loft. There's the house type rear entry door, deadbolt doorknob. Mirrored wardrobe. You've got what, 7 drawers and a pretty large cabinet. Queen bed. Heading on upstairs, since you got the step down into the master, you have a 5-foot rear loft and pretty much a 4-footer front loft. Definitely king size in the rear, and somewhere between queen and king in the front. There's PVC flooring throughout the entire main floor, and carpet is only on the stairs and the loft and the master bedroom. So let's head back down and recap. This is a 2-bedroom. List for $56,000. Stainless appliance. Pretty good sized bathroom. Not bad. Vanity, tub, shower, surround. Toilet, linen closet. It's got everything you need. Sure does. Ceiling fan. Keep the air moving. Let's see, what's this decor called? Before I close her out, it is called Sweetwater. Can you see the Sweetwater decor? And then you've got storage under the seats. 20-gallon electric hot water heater. And all the furnishings stay. Well, let's go look at another trailer.